Hello, in this video we are going to look at Python's membership operators. So membership operators check if essentially a value is part of a sequence, such as lists, tuples, strings, etc. So there's basically two things that you can check for: if it's in there or if it's not in there. Simple like that. So we'll create a string first. So we'll create a string, call it string1, and we'll assign it the value of hello world, and what we'll do is print off the result of whether it's in it or not, a certain character, and this will just return true or false. This can be used in conjunction with stuff like conditional statements, and we'll be covering that later on as well. And pretty much anything that returns true or false can be used in line with that. Okay, so going back to this, we are going to do, and the format is, first of all, you specify the actual value that you want to check for. So I'm going to put a character, and I'm going to say H. So is H in string1? And what I'm going to do is do another one, but this time I'm going to do Z, because I know Z isn't in there. So now I'm going to do the other method. So is H not in string, and is Z not in string. So this should produce true, false, false, true. And let's have a look. Okay, so true, false, false, true. Because is H in string 1? Yes, it's the first character. Is Z in string 1? No. So that's false. Is H not in string 1? Well, it is, so that's false. Is Z not in string 1? It isn't in there, so that returns true. So that's it for membership operators. Couldn't be simpler than that. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.